The FiberCablesDirect 200M OM3 LC fiber patch cable is an exceptional product designed for high-speed connectivity needs. This fiber optic cable, with a length of 200 meters or 656.16 feet, offers a robust solution for various industries, including educational, corporate, military, defense, government, healthcare, finance, and commercial sectors. It features a Corning 5125-micron core and cladding, ensuring superior performance and reliability. This cable is optimized for 10 gigabits Ethernet, but it also supports speeds of 110-4100 gigabits per second, making it versatile for different networking requirements. The black polyethylene jacket is not only rugged and durable, but also suitable for both indoor and outdoor installations. The zipcord reinforced design adds to the cable's durability, ensuring it can withstand demanding environments. The LC-UPC to LC-UPC termination ensures low insertion loss and high return loss, which is crucial for maintaining the integrity of your data transmission. The OM3 multimode fiber used in this cable provides a high modal bandwidth of 1500-2000 MHz-km at 850 nanometers 1300 nanometers, ensuring efficient data transmission over long distances. For instance, it supports fast Ethernet 100 base FX up to 2000 meters, 1 gigabit Ethernet 1000 base, SX up to 550 meters, and 10 gigabits Ethernet 10G base, SR up to 300 meters. Additionally, it supports 40 gigabits Ethernet 40G base, SR4 up to 100 meters, and 100 gigabits Ethernet 100G base, SR10 up to 100 meters. This FiberCablesDirect patch cable is designed with Corning's high-quality materials, providing a reliable and high-performance connection. The fiber optic core is surrounded by a transparent, low-refraction cladding material, ensuring that light is contained within the fiber core through total internal reflection. This design allows the fiber within the patch cord assembly to act as a waveguide, facilitating efficient light transmission. The cable is riser-rated OFNR, making it suitable for use in vertical runs and building riser shafts. This feature, combined with its indoor-outdoor capability, makes it a flexible solution for various installation scenarios. The commercial-grade construction ensures that this cable is built to last, providing a dependable connection for critical applications. Overall, the FiberCablesDirect 200M OM3 LC fiber patch cable is a top-tier choice for anyone seeking a reliable, high-performance fiber optic solution. Its combination of durability, versatility, and superior performance makes it an ideal choice for a wide range of applications. With a 100% lifetime warranty, you can be confident in the long-term reliability and quality of this product.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.